Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. It's a simple trick that can make your designs, presentations, or social media videos look way more dynamic and professional. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose a blank canvas or use a ready-made template. Once you're in the editor, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the text option. You'll see choices like heading, subheading, or body text. Pick whichever fits your project best. Now, type out the message you want to animate. Double-click inside the text box and enter your words. Take a moment to adjust the font, color, and size until everything looks just the way you want. You can resize your text by dragging the corners of the box. This helps make sure everything fits perfectly and stays easy to read. Once your text is ready, it's time to add some animation. Click on the text box to select it, then head to the top of your screen and click on Animate. Canva will show you a list of different effects. For this example, try the pop animation. It gives your text a fun and energetic entrance. Now, to make your text appear one by one, you'll need to duplicate the text box. Click on the text and use the duplicate icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. Each copy will represent the next part of your message. You can slightly adjust the wording or position of each duplicated text box so that every line comes in right after the previous one. To create a smooth sequence, arrange your text boxes in the correct order. You can also experiment with timing by controlling how long each slide appears if you're working on a video or presentation. This gives your animation a clean, flowing effect. When everything's set, click the play button at the top right to preview your animation. Watch how your text appears step by step. If it feels too fast or too slow, make small adjustments until it's perfect. And that's it. You've just learned how to make text appear one by one in Canva. This simple effect can instantly make your designs more engaging and help your message stand out. So go ahead, experiment with different fonts and animations, and bring your words to life. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.